How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today I want to talk about a ticker that I have not talked about in a while, and I want to go back over and give an update as a lot of retail traders are in this, and a lot of people are asking, where can we find entries? Where can we make money? And where's the bottoms and where to take profit on this kind of stuff. And before I get into this, I have a premium Discord of only $6 a month, guys. You cannot be beat, and the win ratio is over 90% success. And I go over my exact trade alerts and my setup video on how to get all this stuff on your screen, and that'll be in the YouTube comments and the description below. But let me show you the strategy. If you like it, you can join, no problem. So, what we're looking at is 3 bands. I try to keep it as simple as possible. And the bottom band is considered a buy zone. I labeled it green. And it doesn't mean you buy right away, but when price gets there, there is a strong chance that buyers come in and you can make massive profits. The most important thing is this middle band. The middle band is where price has to go back to. I'm going to repeat that. Price has to go back to your middle band. We don't know exactly the time frame, but I have recorded a lot of time frames. Within a 1 month to 2 month is the best time zone, as when price has not hit it in a while, it rushes to hit it. And I'm going to show you exactly how I traded this ticker a lot of the times. So as you can see, top band sells off, and guess what? It hits the middle band. Gets close to the bottom band and goes up, and then I'm going to show you a couple other ones too. Top band, and then sells off and goes to the middle band. And you can see there's these gaps. Every painting is going to get filled. Market makers are filling this up. So you hit this bottom band or the middle band here. Look at this gap here. And then to a T, we hit it right here. But you want to make sure within the gaps, you have these signals. This is a sell signal right here, and it goes down. So I'm just showing you guys briefly how this system works. It does work very well, and you can make lots of money doing this because you're knowing the areas to buy and the areas to take profit. So where did I trade this before? I traded in this area, accumulated the shares in here, and I wanted to make sure there was a low K. Low K is the most important aspect. Because right here, we don't get in because the K is 9. Yes, the price went down a little. We don't get in this one. We get in right in here on a 4 and a 3K. And then these areas right here, I remember quite clearly, made 10 to 20%. But I always look for that double bounce to the bottom band, because right in here, as you can see, we have not hit the middle band. And as you can see, that was from 8:11 all the way to 10:09. And I told you the time frame is 1 month to 2 months till you will see a clear touch of that middle band. So I take the profit here because we went away from the lower band, and then we retest it. And this is when I went big because we haven't hit the middle band in a while. And guess what? We go straight up to it, making tons of profits. The next time I played it was right in here. This was a very easy signal right in here. We haven't hit the middle band to a T right in here. So we had this huge gap. So the same scenario, hit here, and then we start working our way, but making the gains here quite easily. So if we know this knowledge, it has to hit the middle band. We know the buyers are in the bottom band. We want to wait for price to go here. I'm not saying you can't make money at this blue band. I'm not saying that. But as you can see, price is usually in a consolidation zone till it goes up or down big. This right here is where price is going to make the big move. As you can see, we have strong support right around here, and then strong resistance right around here. So we are going to be in these zones zigzagging, and yes, you can make profit if you buy down here, sell at the resistance zones, but it's too risky, right? You want to get highest risk, you want to get low risk and a high probability of winning, right? A high risk reward. This is all about risk reward. It's finding an edge. This system has a nice edge of over 90% win ratio, and it's actually a lot higher depending on how much, if you follow exactly my rules. Because a lot of people honestly take a loss right down in these areas. You should not be taking a loss here. You should be waiting for this middle band to be touched. The main thing is looking for these gaps and then making sure that there is a middle lower band touch, right? That's what you want to make sure. So what I want to see is I want to see this break out to the low side here, hit this bottom band, and I'll be looking for a nice accumulation for this touch to this middle band again. But the problem is we touched the middle band, so we would have to have it's going to take some time before it gets down to this lower band, is what I'm saying. So this could be a very slow play and let it come to me. But when we tell you guys, the beauty thing about this strategy is there's always a stock that is in play that is following these same patterns. Like AMC was in play right in here. It was in play right in here. Where there's balancing, it was playing right in here. So I had already made a lot of money on AMC to the point where, yes, it's fine waiting out again because there's always another stock that is going to be in play to make money. And that's why this system is great. You're not chasing, you're not FOMOing, you're letting the market, the price come to you, and when it alerts in the system, you take that price, you take that wherever it's going to be, and you make lots of money, guys. All right, guys, that's the key to the system. There's a lot of nicks, there's a lot of things that you can use this system for, and I just want to give you a little background. I have done this for over 6 years. I am super confident in this strategy works, that I put my own money in and make consistent profits month after month. If you guys want to learn more about this strategy, it is only $6. If you don't like it, cancel. That's fine. You can cancel after your month. But I promise you, you're going to love this strategy because it's going to make you a lot of money. And like I said, we had one recent ticker. We did NYCB. We had it at low $2 and it shot up to all the way up to $4 within 1 hour, making lots of money. And then we have plenty of other tickers that we have traded consistently. But I always believe in getting those 10 to 20% because they add up over time. And you will get, you will compound your account so fast and you won't even realize it. We're not here to hit home runs. We're here to get these correction points. And one of these times you do wake up with a massive home run because you are catching the bottoms. This is the highest success rate because a lot of the sellers are knocked out here. I customize these settings to where if it gets here, that alone right there is buyers going to be coming in. And then your risk is just so much slimmer. But I have a lot of rules before you just take a trade. So you don't want to just blindly take trades like here. The most important is this time distance. When price hasn't hit in a month, 1 month to 2 month time frame, price right here shoots up to touch it. This is your gap right here when because the painting has to be filled. If there is no candles hitting this thing, the painting looks terrible and the market makers fill that up. So I'm glad you guys watched this video. If you stayed this long, feel free, honestly, join the Discord. You won't be disappointed. I had made it at a low time cost. And anybody that's grandfathered in, it will not go any higher for only $6 a month. And what you get is my trade alerts of exactly what I get into as a successful trader that's been doing this for over 6 years to be profitable. That's the key, is you're profitable. And then also I have a setup video. I put like how to trade options. The most important thing is is my setup video on TradingView is how do you get all these alert indicators to match your thing on TradingView, or this right here is Webull. Whatever you have, I have a whole video on how to use this strategy more clearly, in depth, when you get in the premium chat. And also, guys, if you want to join, go to the YouTube comments. It'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades. I'll pin that. It'll also be in my description. And when you click on that link, it'll get you into this free chat. That does not mean you're in right now. You're just in the Discord. What you want to do is find this subscriptions area. Just click on premium chat and it will opt you in to pay $6 a month. Only $6 a month. That is very cheap, and you will get all these channels accessed and it will be unlocked for you to be a profitable trader. And if you guys are watching this video and you're like, wow, that analogy is really nice. I didn't know that, and I was buying AMC all up in here and then all up in here in that middle band, and then heaven forbids, I was buying it way up here, where all these prices where you're buying would not be alerted in the system because these are irrelevant prices. There's only three times I bought this and where I made tons of money on this stock. And the nice thing is when you're confident, you can put a lot more money into it because you know those rebounds are going to be pretty nice, right? So if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment to me what you think. Obviously, a lot of retail traders love this, so I want to give this out, and I want to just kind of talk about it and my analogy, my thoughts, my price prediction. Right now, we're at the middle band, so I want to see price go to the green band, and for the bulls, we want to see the price starting hitting that red band, because if price hits that red band, maybe we could start an uptrend. Hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in the Discord. Take care.